Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will address a trunk opening anomaly that is evidently found only in 2011 through 2017 model Hyundai Sonatas. Owners of these vehicles often find themselves unable to operate the trunk from either the car's key fob or the release button on the dashboard. The issue is here. A small, innocuous lever built onto the trunk latch. It is marked as shown, but is rarely given any attention. If the lever is pushed up toward the trim, the trunk releases are locked out. Watch. The trunk can only then be operated with the mechanical key. The keyhole is beneath the lip of the trunk facing downwards. If you have a push-button start model, the mechanical key will be found inside the fob as shown. Once inside, flip the lever back to the unlocked position, pulled away from the interior trim. The release buttons on the key fob and on the dashboard will operate properly once again. The lockout may be intended to be part of a valet system for keyless start models. The main body of the fob can be left with the valet, while the mechanical key, held by the owner, can be used to lock the glove box and to open the trunk after it has been immobilized. However, the lockout is found in all Sonata models. For help with other keyless or push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.